What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself. And I want to talk about winning, right? I hear people say this all the time. I want to win in life. You know, I'm a win. I'm a win today. I'm a win. Know what I mean? I win. I win all the time. I'm a win. That's all we do is win, right? Win, win, win. I'm a winner. Yeah, you can be. But the whole thing is, what is winning, right? What is winning to you? Is it achieving your goals? Is it, finding the right person to be with? Is it being a millionaire? Is it being a billionaire? Is it winning a championship game? Is it being the best father you can be? Is it being able to spoil your kids? Is it able to spoil your wife, able to spoil your husband? Is it to get that brand new car, that new house, get that trip to Greece, to get that trip to Jamaica? What is winning? What makes you a winner? None of those things make you a winner, okay? People achieve those things without being considered winners. Winning is a mindset, okay? A mindset. And what is the winning mindset, right? When they say winning is a mindset, what is the winning mindset? It's knowing that when you achieve a certain goal, that there is a new devil for that level, right? For every new level, there's a new devil. You ever heard that statement? I know you have, right? And if you haven't, there you go. Now, when you have achieved that goal where you've been able to spoil your kids or buy that new house or get that new car or get that new job or, make this income, this level of income, being a 6-figure earner, being a 7-figure earner, whatever the case may be is, right? Whatever you consider that as winning, you're going to say to yourself at that point, I want to achieve something else, right? If you have a winning attitude, if you have a winning mindset. Now, if you don't have a winning mindset, if you're not considering yourself a winner and you just achieve these things haphazardly, then 9 times out of 10, that's where you plateau. That's where your level lands at, because this is where your mindset is. Your mindset was just to get to that goal, and that's it. And you don't have a winning attitude. You don't have a winning mindset. You see what I'm saying? A winner's mindset, a winner's attitude is, I achieved this goal, I got this goal, now what's next? What's the next goal? What's the next step? What's the next thing to achieve? Right? Right. That's what a winner is. That's what winning mindset is, okay? That's what having the right mindset is. Okay, you achieve a goal, then you move on and you go to a different goal. You get to another level, then you go to another level, then you go to another level, then you go to another level. So for every level, there's a new devil, and a new devil is to create a mindset to get to the next level. Right? Right. That's just how I see it. You take it or leave it. So next time, Wealthbuilderz, this is the man, this is the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing on for what is the winning mindset. Do remember, Wealthbuilderz, make more, save more, build more. Peace.